To transfer cryptocurrency from Crypto.com. Start by opening the Crypto.com app and clicking on the account option. From there, select the crypto wallet, which will display a list of the cryptocurrencies in your account. Choose the desired cryptocurrency, such as XRP, and click on the transfer button. In the pop-up window, select Withdrawal, and then choose External Wallet. Click on Add Wallet Address. Select the cryptocurrency, and choose your preferred network. You will then need to paste your wallet address from your device. To obtain the wallet address, open the companion app on your computer or phone. Go to the Account option, and click on Add Account. Select the cryptocurrency. Search for it if necessary, and click on Continue. Confirm the action with your device. And once the account is added, click on the newly created account and select Receive. Click on Continue. Confirm the action with your device, and copy the wallet address. Return to the Crypto.com app. Paste the wallet address, and leave the tag empty if required. Enter a wallet name. Click on Continue, and confirm that you trust the address. Enter your password, and the wallet address will be added. Click on the video button next to the wallet address. Confirm and withdraw, and enter the amount you want to transfer. Finally, review the transaction details. Confirm that the wallet address and network type are correct, and click on Confirm to complete the transfer.